a good John Deere tractor. Look, Daddy, see the John Deere sign.
Oh my, look at this. Yeah.
Huh. I actually can fit in this. The steering wheel is even new. Hello, Daddy.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Are you plowing the fields?
Yeah. But I don't know even how this tractor could walk and do its job. I think I should take this big tractor to a store.
What would you do?
Get a big motor for it. Yeah, actually.
Can you fix the engine?
Yeah. It's actually a very good John Deere.
Would you recommend this to your fellow farmers?
Yeah. Pocky's farm has to go to here to see this big tractor.